This is a Kodak Star 110 camera. I purchased this camera in 1983 and used it until I purchased a digital camera. This camera requires a cartridge film and two AAA batteries. I am now going to remove the film. After replacing the film, I will now show you the two AAA batteries. Here is one of the batteries, and the other battery is here. One moment, please. This is the front of the camera. As you can see here, this is a flash. It is a Kodak camera. In the middle, this would be the camera. This would be the viewfinder. On the back of the camera, this would be the viewfinder. This is where a person would look to view whatever they are going to photograph. Once you view what you are going to photograph, you would see it in the front of the camera here in the viewfinder. Once you have your object in place of what you would like to take a photograph of, you would turn the camera this way. And as you can see, there's a button here. You would push the button once to take the photograph. After the photograph is taken, you would turn the camera this way. And there is a slider here at the top. You'd slide it once to see the numbers here in the black area. The numbers show from 1 to 12. For example, if you are taking photograph number 3 or photograph number 4, it would show here in this area. Each time a photograph is taken, you would slide the slider here to take a photograph of something else. Once this black area reaches number 12, you would slide the slider over a few times, and you would see arrows only in this area, which would mean all of the photographs have been taken, and you would now have 12 photographs in your camera. On the front of the camera, on this side, there's a button. You slide it over to show that the camera is on. You slide it back this way to show that the camera is off. And as I mentioned, this is a Kodak Star 110 camera, and this is my camera that I purchased in 1983 and used until I purchased a digital camera.